It's impossible to stay poor if you do this every day step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're working hard for your money but still feel like you're barely moving forward, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into the topic. It's impossible to stay poor if you do this every day, step by step. Let's go. What if I told you that staying poor is actually harder than getting rich if you follow one simple routine every single day? I know, it sounds wild. But in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the daily step-by-step routine that makes it impossible to stay poor, unless you choose to ignore it. This isn't some get-rich-quick gimmick or some millionaire mindset fluff. This is practical, repeatable, and it will literally rewire your financial life from the ground up. So grab a pen, take notes, and stick around until the end, because the last step is what ties everything together. Let's go. Part 1. The truth about poverty. Before we dive into the steps, let's get real for a second. Being poor isn't just about money. It's a cycle, a mental loop, a behavioral trap, and a system of habits that silently kill your financial future. In fact, poverty often continues not because people aren't working hard, but because they're working hard in the wrong direction. So, if you want to escape it permanently, you need a daily system that builds wealth one brick at a time, and that's what we're unlocking today. Part 2. The Wealth Habit Blueprint. Let's break it down. This system is built on 5 simple daily practices. You do them every single day, and your financial future will change forever. I'm not exaggerating. Each habit takes less than 20 minutes a day, but compounds into financial freedom, guaranteed. Here's what they are. 1. Track your money daily. 2. Learn one financial concept a day. 3. Improve a high-income skill. 4. Audit your time and cut poor habits. 5. Build or grow one asset every day. Now let's go deep on each one. Step 1. Track your money daily. Let's start with the first and most important habit. Know where every dollar is going, every single day. Why? Because what gets measured gets mastered. And most people don't measure their spending until it's too late. Every day, take 5 minutes to log what you spent today, what you earned today, how much cash is left in your accounts. Use a notebook, an app like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. The tool doesn't matter. The habit does. Why this works? If you track money daily, you begin to see patterns. You'll notice where wealth leaks out of your life. Fast food, impulse buys, subscriptions you forgot about. Once you're aware, you'll stop leaking money. And once you stop leaking money, you start building. Step 2. Learn one financial concept a day. Poor people avoid financial knowledge. Rich people pursue it daily. This doesn't mean you have to go get an MBA or become a day trader. Just do one thing. Learn one small financial concept every day. Ideas like, what is compound interest? What's the difference between an asset and a liability? How do taxes actually work? What's the fastest way to pay off debt? Spend 10 minutes reading, listening to a podcast, or watching a YouTube short on a financial concept. In a year, you'll have over 300 new ideas. And guess what? Financial knowledge is the cheat code to wealth. Step 3. Improve a high-income skill. This is where things start to shift big time. Every day, dedicate 15 to 30 minutes to building a high-income skill, even if you have a full-time job. Some of the top high-income skills include copywriting, digital marketing, coding or web design, sales, public speaking, video editing, AI automation, or prompt engineering. Don't chase money. Chase skills that create leverage, skills that let you earn more in less time. Start by learning for free on YouTube or Coursera. Apply what you learn by freelancing on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Within 90 days, you'll already be more valuable than 90% of people in your income bracket. Step 4. Audit your time and cut poor habits. Time is money, but more than that, How you spend your time creates who you become. Here's a hard truth. If you spend 2 hours a day on Netflix or TikTok and say you're broke, that's not a money problem. That's a discipline problem. So do this. Every night, spend 5 minutes writing how you spent your day. Look for poor habits, doom scrolling, gossip, passive entertainment. Replace just 1 hour of that with learning or earning. You'll buy back 365 hours of your life in a year. That's over 15 full days of progress most people waste. Poor habits keep you poor. Cut one every week and your wealth trajectory will shift upward. Step 5. Build or grow one asset every day. This is where you escape the paycheck cycle permanently. You don't get rich by working harder. You get rich by building assets that pay you even when you sleep. Assets can include a YouTube channel, a digital product, a blog, a stock portfolio, real estate, a business system, intellectual property. Here's the rule. Every single day, do one thing that grows an asset. Upload a short, write one blog post, invest $10, improve your product, build your email list. It doesn't have to be big. It just has to be daily. This habit alone, consistently growing an asset, is what separates wealthy people from those stuck in the rat race. Real life example. 30 days of this changed everything. Let me tell you a story. 6 months ago, one of my viewers, let's call him James, was working a $14 hour job, living paycheck to paycheck. He watched this kind of video and decided to commit to 30 days of this daily system. Here's what happened. Day 1, he tracked all his spending and cut 4 subscriptions. Day 5, started learning sales and listening to financial podcasts. Day 12, landed a part-time freelance gig using a new skill. Day 20, invested his first $100. Day 30, started a YouTube channel reviewing digital products. Fast forward 6 months. He's earning over $5,000 a month on the side. He paid off $3,200 in debt. And he's finally out of survival mode, all from small daily steps. The daily routine checklist. Let's recap. Here's your daily anti-poverty checklist. Do this every day. Track your spending income. 5 minutes. Learn one financial concept. 10 minutes. Build a high-income skill. 15 to 30 minutes. Audit your time. Kill poor habits. 5 minutes. Build or grow one asset. 10 to 30 minutes. That's about 60 to 90 minutes a day. But it will make sure you're never poor again and heading toward financial freedom every single day. Mindset bonus, what keeps people broke? Real quick, here's what to watch out for. These are the habits that keep people stuck. 1. Victim mentality, blaming the system, the government, or your boss. 2. Financial apathy, ignoring debt, savings, or budgeting. 3. Quick fix obsession, jumping on crypto, dropshipping, or lottery tickets without a plan. 4. Consumption over creation, watching content without taking action. The cure? Use this daily system to stay intentional, aware, and in control of your future. Call to action. Take the 30-day challenge. Here's your mission. Take the 30-day wealth challenge. For the next 30 days, follow the daily checklist. Track it. Log your progress. And watch your mindset, income, and goals start to shift. Comment, I am in, below if you're starting today. Let's build wealth together. Not someday, but every day. Remember, poverty isn't permanent unless your habits are. But if you show up daily, even with small steps, you'll build a financial life that's unbreakable. If you got value from this video, smash the like button, subscribe for more content like this, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Until next time, stay focused, stay hungry, and stay building.